Okay, this is the last subtopic in chapter 3, that is absolute equation. Have an absolute value of A, it is equal to B if and only if A equal to positive value of B and A equal to negative value of B. The second property is if the absolute value of A less than B if and only if A is in the interval of negative B and B. And the third property is if the absolute value of A more than B if and only if A more than B or A less than negative B. Okay student, can you see the example 3.24 in page 51 in your module? Okay, we have an absolute equation x minus 5 equal to 3. So we know that this is from the properties A. So how to solve it? If absolute value x minus 5 equal to 3, when we solve it, we get x minus 5 equal to positive 3 and x minus 5 equal to negative 3. So then you can simplify, you get x equal to 8 and x equal to 2. So the equation has two solutions that are x equal to 8 and x equal to 2. Okay, now look at the second example. It is example 3.27 in page 52. We have an absolute equation 2x plus 1 less than equal to 4. Okay, from this equation we know that it is from properties B. Okay, how to solve it? 2x plus 1 is in between 4 and negative 4. Okay, so then we can solve it by subtract 1. So we get 4 minus 1, and at the left hand side also minus 1. So then 2x between 3 and negative 5. Okay, and then we need to divide by 2. So we get x is 3 over 2 and negative 5 over 2. So the value of x is in between negative 5 over 2 and 3 over 2. The solution are the real numbers in the closed interval. If you want to write the solution in an interval notation, so it will become close bracket negative 5 over 2, 3 over 2, close bracket. Okay, the last example that I will show you today is 3.29 in page 53. We have the absolute 3x minus 4 more than equal to 1. So from here we know it is similar with properties C. So how to solve it? 3x minus 4 is more than 1, or 3x minus 4 less than negative 1. So when you solve it, you get 3x, you add with 4, you get 5. And this one, you got negative 1 plus 4 is equal to 3. So divide by 3 is x more than 5 over 3, and this one x less than 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Write it in the form of interval notation, which is, because this is an open interval, not a closed interval, so this is from negative infinity to 1, and this one 5 over 3 to infinity. Okay, so if you want to write the complete answer, we can write like this, because it is OR, so from negative infinity to 1, so when OR is a union, 5 over 3 to infinity, open interval. So this is the answer. Alright, thank you.